This is the first video in a series on FamilySearch.org. This series will cover how to do many of the basic things on FamilySearch. Let's start at the beginning. This video will be about how to create an account. First, go to a browser, or if you're on a smartphone, go download the app FamilySearch. If you're on a browser, navigate to FamilySearch.org. Now the page that you see may differ depending on when you're viewing this. This starting page changes from time to time. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account. If you do have an account, this video is not for you. So I'll just click on Create Account. I'll enter my first name and last name, my birth date, my sex, and I can choose to add membership information. Now to do this, I need to be using a real account. This is all fabricated, so I'm not going to check this at this point. Many of you might want to check this. It will just link your church membership account with this FamilySearch account. Hit Continue and create your information. Now you see I've chosen a username that is already taken. You'll need to come up with something unique. It will also make some suggestions for you. I'll just take this one. Create a password. My super awesome password 987. You choose your own. You can enter a recovery option if you'd like. You can select your location. I'm in the United States. And then you can opt into emails and promotions. You do need to check this box to agree to the terms of use. Then click Create Account. It will send you an email to confirm your account. Or if you chose to receive it by phone, it may send you a text message. Mine was via email, so I'll go check that email. Once you log into your email, you'll see it here, or you may find it in your spam or junk folders. It will just ask you to complete your registration. Click on that, and it thanks you, and you can now sign in to get started. Don't forget your password. If you've forgotten it, you can always click on Forgot My Password, enter your recovery email or phone number, and hit OK. An email will be sent, account recovery request. You can click on the account we need to recover for and enter a new password. Hit reset and try the new one. There we go. You are now signed in to FamilySearch.org with your own account. In the next video, we'll get started with some features of FamilySearch.